I am Chief Dermatologist at Magical Morphers Global Skin and Hair Services, Malviya Nagar, New Delhi. Now I am talking about platelet-rich plasma treatment. So platelet-rich plasma treatment is basically fraction of blood. So in platelet-rich plasma treatment, what we do, we extract platelets by centrifugation technique. We have centrifuge machine and we extract platelets out of it. So these platelets have been used in several cases, not only for hair regrowth. It can be used for facial aesthetics, means face can be enhanced through this. Along with that, wound healing can be done. Along with that, it can be used for joint problems like ligaments tear also. So there are several uses of this platelet-rich plasma treatment. So now I am focusing this platelet-rich plasma for hair. Platelet-rich plasma basically contains so many growth factors, and these growth factors have a potential to regrow hair, and it works on the collagen remodeling also. So how can it be done? You need to visit, and we take blood around 20 to 40 ml as per the requirement of your scalp, and then we centrifuge it. We centrifuge it 2 times. That is called a double spin technique. Double spin technique is unique to Magical Morphers. So double spin technique is used here. After the centrifugation process ends, we take the platelets and we use it over the scalp after properly cleaning the scalp with betadine. So these platelets can be injected over the scalp. Along with that, we do micro needling. So micro needling can be used simultaneously with the platelet-rich plasma treatment. What will you get after the platelet-rich plasma treatment? So this is a dermatoscopic machine. This is also called as trichoscope for hair. So this is assembled and we can connect it with the computer. So here we take the photograph of your scalp. In that there is a hair thinning or hair miniaturization. So after the few treatments of platelet-rich plasma treatment, again we will take the photograph of your hair with this machine, and you can see the diameter is increasing and density is increasing. Along with that, after some time you will see the clinical result and you will be satisfied with the treatment. So where does this platelet-rich plasma work? This platelet-rich plasma works only in the case of diffuse hair loss or hair is miniaturizing. If hair is not there, or it has already miniaturized and there is no hair at all, it will not work. So these are the limitations of platelet-rich plasma treatment. It works better in non-smoker, or we tell the client that you avoid smoking. So these are the few factors which play a major role in the platelet-rich plasma treatment. Along with the platelet-rich plasma treatment, we properly evaluate the client. What is the hair fall reason? There may be several reasons, maybe typhoid, maybe stress, maybe thyroid dysfunction, maybe endocrine problems like if some lady has menstrual cycle problems, or there are several problems associated with the ovary also. If you have obesity, or if you have other endocrine problems, so we have to rule out and we take proper history regarding the hair fall, and then we start the treatment. So only platelet-rich plasma will not work. You have to take proper history and we have to examine it, then we do the treatment. Here at Magical Morphers, the special feature is, one is double spin technique. Second, we use several medicines which we apply along with platelet-rich plasma treatment, which we can't reveal due to patency reasons. So these medicines are applied over the scalp, which enhances the growth and which has been scientifically proved that it works the best. So this is the platelet-rich plasma treatment. New things which is coming in the platelet-rich plasma treatment for hair fall or hair regrowth or baldness is adipose derived stem cells, which we have introduced recently at Magical Morphers Global Skin and Hair Services. So adipose derived stem cells are taken from the adipose cells, and these fat can be taken from thigh or where you have accumulated a lot of fat. So this has a dual effect. Along with your fat at tummy, we can reduce it there also, and we can use those fats for making stem cells. So these are adipose derived stem cells. Previously people were using, and we were also using, plant stem cells. So adipose derived stem cells, which is your own, is much better, you can understand. So we mix it with the platelet rich plasma also, and it has a wonderful results. Platelet rich plasma treatment is also done in hair transplant. We are doing here follicular unit extraction regularly, and in that treatment we use those platelets to increase the graft survival rate or hair survival rate, so you will have a better hair. So there are several factors which work in the hair transplant. So we take care of all those factors which increases the graft survival rate, along with giving the proper counseling to the client that you should not lie from that side which we have done hair transplant. So you should not use helmet for 3 to 4 weeks. Along with that, you don't have to smoke. Along with that, we take care of all these things, so that graft survival rate increases remarkably. So here hair transplantation is done at very nice level, and FUE is used, and you have to just come for 4 to 5 hours, and then it's finished. You can go to your office or your work tomorrow also. So that is the hair transplantation story. So hair transplantation is done over the bald area where there is no hair, and where there is a hair, where there is a miniaturization or thinning of hair, we use these platelet rich plasma treatment and several other treatments. Along with that, several new researches is there, and according to the new medical literatures, we have introduced new medicines for hair fall, and it has increasing response, and we are doing a trial also, so that we will make few medicines which will be patented soon in the name of Magical Morphers or Dr. Nilesh Kumar.